The main purpose of this channel is not just about memorizing or cramming how to solve this kind of question. All the questions I'll be providing, I will try as much as possible to make sure you understand the main concept behind each question. Look at this question now. We have, let A and B be subset of the universal set U. Now, what can we derive from that? It means that we have a set A and set B be a subset of universal set. Now, moving on, we have a complement. We have a complement, that is, it is written as a raised to power c. Sometimes it can be, and complement sometimes can be written as this. You can write complement as this, or it can be written as this. Moving on, and we are given a certain condition. This is the most important aspect of this question. We are given a certain condition to work with, and I will explain the main idea behind all these concepts so that you can use this idea to solve other questions as well, because that's the most important thing about this channel. You are not just come here to just see the solution and see the final answer. No, you must be able to use this idea to solve other questions, and that is what Yellow House is testing. Okay, if you don't know Yellow House, it means mathematics department. This is what the mathematics department is testing. They don't just want you to cram, they want you to understand the concept behind each question. Now, moving on, we have what is the, if B complement is subset of a complement, what is the equivalence of the set? So the question given to us is A complement. So the question we have to solve is A complement, I think it is intersection, right? Intersection into bracket B complement union A. So we have to solve this. Now, looking at this question now, what can we get from this question? We have the operation we have here is different from the operation we have here, and we are not giving anything relating B complement and A together. Look at this question very well. We are not given anything relating B complements and A and set A together. That means you have to apply what we call distributive property here in order to bring out what is going on here. So to do that, we are going, so for you to able to use distributive property, always try to remember this. A times B plus C is same thing as A times B plus A times C. So you can use the same idea here as well. That means we can say this is times and this is plus. That means A complement. That means A complement intersection B complement here is same thing as A complement intersection B complement union A complement intersection A. So moving on, we have to work with these two guys now. We are working with A complement. We are working with this and this. Now, starting with A complement intersection, I told you I'm not just solving any question. I want you to get the concept of this question so that you will use the same idea to solve other questions you might be giving your exams or tests, because your exam is near already. Now, A complement intersection A. Anytime you are intersecting a set with its complement, you are going to have an empty set. Let me say that again. Anytime you are intersecting a set with its complement, you are going to have an empty set. Let's say I have B intersection B complement. Now you are going to have empty set. Now something might come to your mind. What about if you have union? A complement union A complement. A complement is what is not inside our A but found in the universal set. Union A. This one we are going to have universal set. So A complement union A is universal set, and A complement intersection A is empty set. So make sure you take note of these two concepts. They are very essential. They are very, very essential. If you really want to enjoy your exam, these two concepts are very, very essential. Now, moving on. Since A complement intersection A gives us an empty set, that means we are left with A complement intersection B complement. Now, another new concept to note. Another new concept. A complement intersection B complement. This is intersection B complement. This is what we are having junior empty set, because A complement intersection A gives us empty set. Now that means, now what can we now derive from this? Another new concept to note. You know, I told you I'm not just solving questions. I'm solving all this so that you can use the same idea to apply it in other questions as well. So A, let me use the yellow color. Any set junior empty set is the set, and any set intersection empty set gives empty set. Another new concept. Another new concept. A set A junior empty set is A back, because you are finding the junior of the set with an empty set. You have the set back. Now A intersection empty set. A intersection empty set. You have an empty set. Now back to our question. Our question is A complement intersection B complement junior empty set. That means we are going to have what? A complement intersection B complement junior empty set will be A complement intersection empty set. So our goal now is to work with A complement intersection empty set. A complement intersection B complement. So that's what we are working with. How are we now going to solve this? Now go back to your question. Go back to your question. You were given a certain condition, and I've already explained. And you were given a certain condition. Okay, I haven't explained that. Let's go back to the question. So we are given a certain condition. And what is that condition? You are given that B complement is a subset of A complement. B complement is a subset of A complement. B complement is a subset of A complement. Two things can be derived from here. Another concept. Don't just cram. You know, it's not testing what you cram. You are testing what you understand. You don't cram math. You understand math. So B complement intersection empty set. Two things can be derived from there. So B complements, another concept again. B complements is a subset of A complement. Two things can be derived from there. The first thing is that B complement intersection A complement is B complement, and then B complement junior A complement is A complement. And how can you relate this to, let's say we have a mother that is we have a woman that is pregnant. A pregnant woman. The pregnant is the subset of the woman. So if you are finding the intersection between big thing and small thing, the result will be the small thing. You have a pregnant woman. Let's call it P. A pregnant woman. So the pregnancy is a subset of the woman. Pregnancy is a subset of the woman. So if you are finding their intersection, the intersection will be the smaller one, which is the pregnancy, and the junior will be the what? Will be the woman. I think that is understood. So anytime you are giving any question involving a certain set, be a subset of another set, it means you can derive two things. I will also solve another question involving this kind of concept. Now, moving on. Now, I think we have gotten our answer. So we are asked to find A complement intersection B complement. A complement. So finally, our answer is ready. We have cooked our answer. So A complement intersection B complement. So that means we are having B complement, and the option is the option is D. So please don't just cram. It's very important you understand the concept so that you can use the same idea to solve other questions. Please try to share and like and subscribe and comment as well. Your comments are very, very important because this really helped me to be able to improve in my next videos. Thank you.